Hi guys, today we are learning how to remove a TikTok streak. First, unlock your phone and open the TikTok app. Once the app opens, you'll be on the main feed. From here, we'll go to your messages where TikTok streaks are shown. Now, tap the inbox option at the bottom of the screen. Open the conversation with the person whose streak you want to remove. This is where you'll be able to see your current streak with that contact. If you stop sending messages to that person and don't continue the streak, it will eventually expire on its own. Once there's no interaction for the required period, TikTok automatically removes the streak. There's nothing else you need to do for it to disappear. At the moment, TikTok doesn't provide a setting or button to manually remove a streak. The only way for a streak to end is by letting it expire naturally through inactivity. If TikTok adds this feature in the future, the steps may change. And that's how you can remove a TikTok streak. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for more easy tutorials.